is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, final hour of the trading day. And right now we have markets right near session highs, and you are right near all-time highs. S&Ps up by 61 points. We're trading at 64.61, and you just made it to a high. All right, we have a high of 64.6850 in the futures. How about getting to 64.67.25? 1 point away from all-time highs in the futures right now. S&P's up by 1%. NASDAQ 100 up by 1.2%. We almost hit 24,000, and that is an all-time high in the NASDAQ 100, folks. Dow right now up by a percentage as well, up 437 points. And what are we? We're about 800 points off of all-time highs. And how about the Russell? Okay, the Russell. Now, the Russell... they could be the biggest benefactor of all if we really get rip-roaring lower rates. They have a lot of exposure to rates. When you look at small caps, their debt, where their debt goes out on the yield curve, they have a lot of exposure, whether you're talking about high interest rates in the beginning of their Fed's hiking and now as we begin to cut. 2.7% on the Russell to the upside today, up 59 points. Bitcoin, 119,835. Ethereum, check it out, right? Another $234. Bitcoin up another 5.5%. Ethereum's up 5.5. Bitcoin's not even higher. So it's not stopping. The momentum is in Ethereum right now. Circle Internet, right? Their numbers, how about this one? From 189 on the open to 165, folks. Talking about it on the program this morning. Talk about giving it up, man. And they really hadn't even given it up by the time I was doing the program. Whew. You give it all back on that equity, but they are in stable coins, crypto, in focus. Now, the headline of the morning, okay, CPI. Now, it's amazing that I was talking to a friend today. I said, yeah, I saw the headlines, right? The headlines of the CPI, it picked up big time, right? And this is the headline. Core CPI picks up to fastest pace since January on services. You read that headline, you say, oh, man, is the Fed worried about inflation? No. The CPI report boosts the bet on a September rate cut. And the way I put it to my friend is I said, yeah, there were some pockets where you had accelerations, but the Fed has two mandates, folks. Full employment, price stability. Right now, they're worried about full employment. This CPI data point, not enough to shift that one. We're coming back for the hour, folks. S&P's up by 62. Basil Chapman's got a webinar at 4 o'clock today. We'll be talking to him at 3:15 as well. Don't go away. We'll be right back, folks.